Hey everyone! Whether you're looking for a specific past due bill or just want to see your entire sales history, QuickBooks Desktop has a few different ways to show you your invoices. I'm going to show you the absolute fastest method using the Customer Center. Let's get to it. Step 1. Open the Customer Center. First, head to the top navigation bar and click on Customers, then select Customer Center. You can also just hit Ctrl+J on your keyboard if you're a fan of shortcuts. Step 2. Switch to the Transactions tab. By default, QuickBooks shows you the customers and jobs list on the left. Look just above that list and click the tab labeled Transactions. This switches the view from individual customers to types of data. Step 3. Select Invoices. In the list of transaction types on the left, click on Invoices. Now, the main window on the right will populate with your invoices, but it might only show recent ones based on your default settings. Step 4. Filter for all invoices. To see everything, look at the top of the transaction list for the Date drop-down menu. Change this from this month or year to Date to all. You can also use the Filter by drop-down next to it if you only want to see open or overdue invoices. Step 5. Sort and view. Now you have a complete master list. You can click on the headers like date, number, or amount to sort them numerically or chronologically. To see the details of any invoice, just double-click it to open the full document. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.